Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Livia 90 with us in the shop. This is a Pasquini heat exchanger type of machine, and it came in for quite a few issues, but mainly we had to replace the vacuum release valve, which was leaking a lot of the pressure out through the top of the machine. Also, we replaced the water pump, which was from a 2014, and so we replaced it with a brand new one. Also, we did a tune-up, and we had to take extra time descaling because there was quite a lot of descaler in there. Or quite a lot of scale in there. And as I started to descale, it was a bright neon green, which usually if it's bright neon blue, then you're fine, or even hints of kind of like a turquoise blue, then it would be fine. But once it's green or yellow or even brown, then you would have to really be cautious when descaling. That means your boiler is quite bad when it comes to scale. And as I descaled, it got kind of worse and worse, and so I did quote for some extra time to continue descaling, because after spending no more than, if I were to guess, 4 hours of descaling, it was still coming out pitch black, and usually that's just a bunch of residue built up at the bottom where the heating element is, and or the tops of the boiler where the water actually doesn't reach. And so kept descaling, had a quote for a little bit more time, just an hour on top of the original estimate, not too much, and we ended up getting it clear. And also I had to service the water level probes on this machine. I had noticed that during the repair process, the pump would just keep randomly triggering, and that usually is because there's scale all around the water level probe, which once the water hits it, it won't, since it has a shield of scale, then the water won't conduct with the minerals in the water, and it actually won't, the sensor won't tell your pump to stop pumping. And so you would be overfilled most of the time, and I had to take both of them out, deep clean them, descale them, and then just make sure there wasn't buildup around them, which there was quite a bit. And then after putting them back in, they worked perfectly fine. And so after that, we have a cleaning of the group head, replace it with a brand new gasket and brand new shower screen. Now, we don't have a portafilter with this machine. It wasn't brought in with one, and we do not have one in the shop at this time. And so we cannot test brewing, but we can just test the machine as a whole when it comes to pumping water through all sides and even the steam one. I did do a deep cleaning on the steam one. There was quite a lot of milk in this tip, so I ended up removing it, poking holes through it until it was all clear, and then soaking the entire thing for quite a while, just so all that milk residue could build up or break off. And yeah, now it's nice and clean. So we're just going to test the steam one real quick first. This is a 4-hole steam one, and so we're just going to open that. It's running well. Close it up. We're going to run the water. As you can see, instantly you get a nice spread of water going into your puck, which runs really well. And then lastly, we're just going to run the hot water for a little bit just so we can show it off. But yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.